Cancer, your timeline is changing. Not in fantasy, not in illusion, in real life. The pattern you were stuck in is breaking. The emotional cycle you kept repeating is ending. You are stepping into a version of life where you respond differently, choose differently, and receive differently. This is not about luck. This is about growth. When your inner world changes, your outer world must adjust. Today I am pulling 8 cards. Deep, practical, clear. Each card will show you exactly how this timeline shift is happening. Stay with me fully. Listen carefully. This is not random. This is alignment. The first card is Wheel of Fortune. This is the main shift. The cycle that kept repeating is ending. The same type of disappointment, the same kind of delay, the same emotional confusion. It cannot continue because you are no longer the same person who accepted it. That is how timelines change. You may notice sudden movement in an area that was stuck for months. A response comes. A decision finalizes. A person reaches out. Something that felt frozen begins turning. This is not coincidence. This is divine timing meeting your readiness. There is also karmic balancing here. If you felt unfairly treated before, balance comes back. If you worked hard without reward, results begin showing. But it comes in a mature way, not dramatic chaos. The key for you now is flexibility. When the wheel turns, don't cling to the old position. Allow change. Even if it feels unfamiliar, it is better than the past loop. The second card is Judgment. You are waking up. That is the shift. You are seeing truth clearly about someone or something. Maybe you ignored red flags before. Maybe you doubted your intuition. Not anymore. Your awareness is sharp now. This card shows a decision point. You cannot go back to who you were. Even if you try, it won't feel comfortable. Your standards have risen. Your emotional tolerance has changed. That is growth. There may be a conversation where truth is spoken openly, or an internal realization where you admit something to yourself. That moment creates freedom. Freedom changes timelines instantly. Do not fear this awakening. It is not loss. It is clarity. And clarity protects you from repeating old mistakes. The third card is 8 of Pentacles. Your focus is shifting toward building something solid. Maybe career. Maybe savings. Maybe a skill. You are tired of emotional drama. You want structure now. That maturity attracts stability. You are entering a timeline where consistency matters more than intensity. Small daily effort will bring bigger results than emotional bursts. This card asks for discipline. There is improvement in work energy. Recognition comes slowly but steadily. Someone notices your effort. Even if they don't say it immediately, it is being observed. This is also self-worth rebuilding. When you invest in yourself, your timeline upgrades, because now you are choosing growth over distraction. The fourth card is the Lovers. A choice about alignment appears. This could be love, but it is deeper than romance. It is about choosing what truly matches your values. No more choosing from fear of being alone. No more choosing from guilt. If this is a relationship, it will test whether both people are aligned emotionally and morally. Surface attraction is not enough anymore. You want emotional safety and mutual respect. If this is career, it is about choosing work that does not drain your soul. You are realizing money without peace is not success. This card confirms your timeline changes through your choices. Choose what feels healthy, not what feels familiar. The fifth card is the Emperor. This is you stepping into authority, not controlling others, controlling yourself. You are no longer reacting emotionally to every situation. You are thinking before speaking, planning before acting. That changes everything. When you move with structure, people take you seriously. In work, this shows leadership energy rising. Even if you are not in a management role, you begin acting like one. Organized, direct, clear boundaries. And when you carry that energy, promotions and opportunities notice you. Authority responds to authority. In relationships, this card shows you no longer tolerating instability. You will not beg for attention. You will not chase mixed signals. If someone wants to be in your life, they must show consistency. That standard alone changes your timeline. The Emperor also warns you not to become emotionally cold. Balance logic with heart. Strength does not mean shutting down feelings. It means guiding them. The sixth card is Six of Wands. Recognition. Public or private. Something you worked hard on finally gets acknowledged. It may not be loud applause, but it is validation. Someone says yes. Someone chooses you. Someone notices your growth. This card shows success after struggle. You were doubting yourself before. You were wondering if your effort mattered. It did. This is confirmation that your persistence paid off. There's also confidence returning. You begin walking differently, speaking differently. You stop shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. That internal victory reflects outward. But stay humble. Victory energy should motivate you, not make you careless. Keep the same discipline that brought you here. The seventh card is Death. Do not fear this card. This is the full ending of an old emotional pattern. Something you once thought you needed, you now outgrow. Maybe it is a person. Maybe it is a belief. Maybe it is a fear of abandonment. This ending feels heavy at first, because even toxic comfort feels familiar. But once it clears, you breathe easier. You feel lighter. You realize how much energy was draining you before. This is a non-negotiable transformation. You cannot carry old baggage into a new timeline. Spirit removes what you refuse to release. That is protection, not punishment. After this ending, your life feels simpler. Less drama, less confusion, more clarity. And clarity is peace. The eighth card is Ten of Pentacles. This is long-term stability, family security, financial structure, emotional grounding. This card shows that your new timeline is not temporary excitement, it is sustainable growth. You may begin thinking about future plans seriously now. Savings, investments, moving house, building something that lasts years, not months. That mindset alone shows maturity. In love, this is commitment energy. Someone who sees you as long-term, or you deciding you deserve long-term security, not temporary attention. This card confirms that the struggle phase is closing. You are entering a grounded chapter. Calm, stable, secure, not perfect, but solid. Cancer, your timeline is changing because you changed first. You raised your standards. You healed what hurt. You stopped accepting crumbs. That internal shift created this external movement. Personal sessions start at $9, and the $99 membership gives you 30 days unlimited guidance. Affirmation for you: I release old cycles without fear. I choose stability over chaos. I trust my growth. I attract respect, security, and emotional safety. My new timeline is strong, grounded, and aligned.